really sorry at the lack of uploads. Some stuff has been happening, but also I'm not really in control of my upload schedule. I don't know if I'm making excuses or not. This video I filmed a week ago, and it's a 40 subscriber special, so I'm really sorry that I haven't gotten that out, but it's going to be out now. So you can watch it. Yay, have fun. Bye. Oh, wow, look at the sky. Wow. That's so beautiful. And look, that's also beautiful. It's my doggo. Thanks for 40 subscribers, now 41. So, this is my doggo review. It's going to be a great time, but real quick, let's look at the sky. Wow. You know what's really cool? The light is over there, and it's showing on there. So, that's cool. You know why I'm looking at the sun? And I'm going to look at her, too, in a second. Because one day, we won't be able to look at the sun anymore. So why don't we just look at the sun while we can, while we're here? That'd be nice, right? Yeah. So yeah, this is the sky, pretty beautiful. And that's my dog, also pretty beautiful. So yeah, oh, it's me. Wow. Yeah, so just a little more of the sky and we'll be done. So one last view for me and for the camera. Okay, doggo time. Ready, Daisy? She's a super smart doggo, and she knows like tricks and stuff. Daisy, come! Hey, come! Give me a high five. Let's see that high five. Hey, no, Daisy, no. Ready? Okay, high five. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Okay, crap, it's kind of raining. No, Daisy, no. Hey, sit. Paw. Ow, jeez, chill. Hey, it's okay. Okay, I'll pet you, chill. Oh, it's getting cold out. It is raining now. So, yeah. But doggo. Comment down below if you want to see any other doggo stuff. Because she's going to be here. So she can do it. Right, Daisy? Hey, look at the camera. Daisy, hey. No, not yet, Daisy. Not yet. Oh, that's her poop. Crap. You want half a treat? Yeah. Look at that. It's up here. Ready? Go get it. There she goes. Looking for the treat. There she goes. She found it. Yeah. That was good, right? You like that? Yeah? Daisy, was that good? Daisy, over here. Hey, no. Let's run with the wonderful people at home. No, Daisy, over here. Come on, Daisy. Daisy, come on. Oh, idea. I mean, cruelty to animals and all sucks, but, you know, we got a hose, and we got a doggo. Hey. There she go. Okay, I think we got her not to come in. Hopefully she's not wet. Yeah, she's not wet. Okay, cool. Look at her go. Daisy, come. Come here, Daisy. She's smart. She knows what I did to her. I'm sorry. Daisy, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's just look at the sky while we wait. Pretty beautiful. Wow. Whoa, we thought I dropped you there, huh? Yeah. Whoa.